Hey all, welcome back to the SBT Blossom. I hope you all are doing great and reviewing about the India's most affordable beauty subscription box, which is called Glam Ego Box. This is how the box look. All the beauty skincare products worth 3 times to the money which you spend on this box. So it has launched on Women's Day, so the introductory offer price is 199 rupees. So the price might change in next month or so. No shipping charges as well. That is very good, and I think this is really nice for students or who are looking to try some new products and also affordable subscription boxes. Glam box, and it gives the contents of what all products you get in this month's box. Lip balm which I've got, and thank God I got orange flavor. I actually don't like mint. I think many people got the mint ones. Lip balm orange. This is LLP free, so it's 8 ml and retailed at 115 rupees. The lip balm it smells very nice as orange. There's no tint or color to it, so this is a plain lip balm. What we see is a Sea Soul Dead Sea Hydrating Facial Kit, and this is for dry skin. I actually mentioned my skin is combination, but that's okay. I think this also can be used on my skin. It's not too dry, but it's sometimes little dry. I have some dry patches, so I can use this. So this actually is an intensive cleansing, radiance and glow series. So it contains dead sea minerals, Moroccan argan oil, jojoba oil. So it does not have parabens, sulfates and all. It's 100% pure, not tested on animals, natural, organic and biocare. I never use the Sea Soul product, so this is the first time I'll be trying all these sachets. It says how to use step-wise, so that's really nice. So it's retailed 350 rupees. And the next one is a Lash foot care cream, and this is repair crack and dry heals. It's paraben free and it's Ayurvedic. It's 100 grams product, and the packaging looks good. So I think this is a new brand, I'm not sure, but this is retailed at 135 rupees. So that's a full size product of the foot cream what we got. And the next one we have in this is either you have two options. You either get a City Detox face wash of 100 ml of 30 ml retail for 100 rupees. That's the sample size, I guess. And or you can get some of these from Talgo, the mask, body milk or the body cream. So I have got Chronacare face wash, and I see many people have got a sample size of Talgo and they were not happy. I know it's a very small sample. When you get a very little sample, you don't feel happy. So I'm lucky enough to get this one. So this is a City Detox face wash, and it is suitable for all skin types. It's a 30 ml sample, and that's nice. I'm happy to receive this one. So this is retail for 100 rupees. The sample says product. So that's all what I've got in this month's box. So I have paid like 199 rupees including tax. I guess it was 208 or something like that. I've got products around 700 chain, so that's really nice. So that is a good box, because you can't expect more expensive products in the subscription box when you just pay 199 rupees. So that's something nice. To my opinion on this box, this is a nice decent box, which you get almost affordable subscription box ever. So everyone can try out there. I know there are many subscription boxes which are very very expensive, and when you get this box, you can use this box products, and if you want to buy any of these products, you get flat 50% off on the products which you receive in the box. So that's something nice which no subscription box does it. All what I've got in this month's box. I've got this Sea Soul facial kit which has all the sachets, and it also got sample size Chronacare face wash, and then I've got a lip balm, and this is a foot care by Lash. And yeah, I'm really happy, and I'll be trying this one definitely. I've not tried this, so I'll be trying this one. So that's all guys for today's video, and if you like this video, please do, and also if you're not my subscriber, don't forget to click that subscribe button.